Araldite can be used to fix broken mugs, repair carpets, and also repair jewelry. I mostly use it in my art projects, but then I stopped using this red and yellow branded type because we have a lot of counterfeit product around here, and it's so hard to know which one is original and which one is fake just by looking at the pack. So towards the end of last year, I stumbled upon this new Araldite pack, which is still under the Araldite company. It's an original type and it has worked brilliantly well. So today I'm going to have a tutorial where I'm going to show you how to perfectly mix it, especially when you have when you're using it on large scale projects or when you're working on so many pieces at once. We are going to be using a medicine measuring cup and a broken knife or a sturdy stick for mixing. So start by pouring in the resin up to the level that you would want, in this case 5 millimeter. And then we are going to pour in the hardener. Then start mixing steadily but slowly, ensuring that both contents mix together evenly to produce one perfect consistency. And then once you're done with that, we are going to transfer our contents onto a plastic surface. Once you've done that, you'll continue mixing it and continue mixing it, knowing that this type of glue has a longer setting or working time, which is 45 minutes. So mix it as long as you can to ensure that both parts have mixed together. Remember, the good mixture ensures the durability of your glue. If you don't mix it right, then you will have pieces of your art falling apart afterwards. And you don't want that, especially after you've sold something to a client. Once you're done, then now you can start applying it in your art project or in the pieces that you want to combine, ensuring that you apply enough. For pieces that are like a broken mug, then you'll need to apply pressure overnight. Now this adhesive will take up to 24 hours to dry. So if you're working on it during the day, just leave it overnight and by morning it should be ready. Remember, I have no affiliation with this company. This is just one of my recommendations. This is something that works for me and I hope it will work for you also. Remember to have fun, and once you're done, remember to clean your medicine measuring cup with turpentine so that you can use it the next time. Well, I hope you learned something from this tutorial, and I will be sharing where you can find this type of Araldite here in Kenya. If you have not subscribed, please remember to subscribe and share with your friends. Until next time, bye bye.